how to return a dictionary in Python Django, and view it in JavaScript. I'm returning this in my view. I want to use this information in the dictionary within my JavaScript, kind of like this. However, my JavaScript doesn't work. There is no alert popping up, and I know that the dictionary has the information when it leaves my Python view. How can I read this information in my JS? Okay, so the answer for the view is to simplesyn.dumps data. Now when I do an alert, data, in my JS on my template I get val1. This is X, val2, true. Now how can I manage the second part of the question, which is read out the values like update, the simplesyn.dumps data converts the dictionary into string. So in the JavaScript you need to convert the string to an object. This is the easiest but apparently unsafe way.
Very simply.
JSON is easiest way to transfer data. Also you can use XML. In Python. In JavaScript.
You cannot directly use the Python object, you have to convert it into JSON string first. Look into following documentation. This URL. Also. This URL.
Just specify the MIME type in response.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking